In this video, I reveal what side hustle is best for 2025 and how to make more money faster and easier. This side hustle is my number one recommended income stream. I work it myself. Literally anyone can have massive success with this one. Previous experience does not matter. If you are looking for a way to make a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day at your convenience, this video is for you, so stick with me till the end. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I love online side hustles. I've been doing them full-time almost since the start of the internet. I haven't worked a real job in years. Hey, before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post multiple new videos every week about making money online. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So as we start 2025, it seems more people than ever are looking at side hustles. An article I read on Bankrate last night said that 36% of U.S. adults worked a side hustle in 2024. And side hustles are more than just something to make more money. Many people are looking for a different, non-traditional way to make their living. Others look to side hustles as a way to find something to leverage their time. For them, time freedom is worth even more than the money. And that's the case for my wife Barbara and I. Thanks to learning how to make money online, I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer while I'm making money. That's right, while I'm making money. But to do so, you have to pick the right side hustle and the right way to build it. And that can be tough as there are all kinds of side hustles to choose from. In too many side hustles, you end up just trading your time for money. It's almost like taking on another job. You can't leverage your time. The only way you can make more money is to put in more time. Well, who really wants to do that? Side hustles like delivering food and groceries, as in DoorDash, Instacart, and Grubhub come to mind, or the ride-sharing side hustles such as Uber and Lyft. Now, I know they are popular, but I really don't get it. What a grind. If you are looking for a way to escape the rat race that so many people are trapped in, you need both more money and more free time. I think the best way to make more money is in the business model called affiliate marketing. I've done it for years. It can be super simple and is ideal for those looking for time leverage too. But again, you need the right affiliate marketing opportunity and the right way to market it. Too many affiliate marketing opportunities pay out small, one-time commissions of only a few percent. To make a lot of money with them, you have to sell a lot of stuff every day. Well, most marketers, especially those just starting out, cannot do that. You need to avoid those side hustles. So what side hustle is best for 2025? Well, here's what I do. I've been building this business for several years now. I think it's ideal for both beginners and experienced marketers alike. It's an affiliate marketing business that really leverages your time, only takes a small investment to get started, pays out big commissions, and pays recurring or passive income too. This passive income is money that can keep coming in month after month for the sales you make each day. This business is super affordable to get started, and as for making money, it pays out a whopping 80% commissions on 4 digital products ranging in price from $10 to $1,000. 80%. That means you can make as much as $800 on a single sale. And 3 of the products pay passive income too. I love getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit, no long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. This online side hustle is all done with a simple marketing system, again, in just minutes a day. And since it's all online, you can put that time in whenever it's convenient for you, from wherever you want to be. I even do it while I'm out sailing. It comes with the best training I've seen, including our quick start strategy that helps many new people make money their very first day. We do live Zoom calls daily, and we have a terrific Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. Plus, when we team up, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You'll never wonder about what to do next. Any side hustle will be so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an affiliate marketing industry leader with decades of experience. So, if you are ready to make more money faster and easier, take a close look at the best side hustle for 2025. I will show you how to build a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day. To learn more and start making more money today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.